Hello, today's topic? In the kitchen.
What's cooking today?
I'm planning to make a creamy chicken Alfredo pasta.
Sounds delicious. Do we have all the ingredients?
Yes, we have chicken breasts, pasta, cream cheese, and garlic.
Great. Let's start by boiling water for the pasta.
Should we add a bit of salt to the water?
Yes, a pinch of salt will enhance the flavor of the pasta.
The water is boiling. Let's add the pasta.
How long does the pasta need to cook?
Usually around 8-10 minutes, but let's check the package instructions.
While the pasta cooks, let's prepare the chicken.
Shall we season the chicken with salt and pepper?
Yes, season both sides of the chicken breasts.
Now let's heat some oil in a pan and cook the chicken.
Should we cook the chicken until it's golden brown?
Yes, cook it until it's golden brown on both sides and fully cooked.
While the chicken cooks, let's make the Alfredo sauce.
Shall we mince the garlic and grate the cheese?
Yes, finely mince the garlic and grate the cheese.
Now let's heat some butter in a saucepan and salt the garlic.
Once the garlic is fragrant, add the cream and cheese.
Let the sauce simmer until it thickens slightly.
Should we season the sauce with salt and pepper?
Yes, taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning as needed.
The pasta is cooked. Let's strain it and add it to the sauce.
Slice the cooked chicken and add it to the pasta.
Mix everything together until well combined.
Shall we garnish with some chopped parsley?
Yes, chopped parsley will add a fresh touch.
Dinner is served. Let's enjoy our creamy chicken Alfredo.
Vocabulary.
Cook. Chicken. Pasta. Ingredient. Cream. Cheese. Garlic. Boil. Salt. Flavor. Prepare. Season. Pepper. Oil. Pan. Butter. Saucepan. Drain. Slice. Combine.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.